Okay, we've let this one sit up a little bit so it won't slide on us. We left this one on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue this other side on. And then I'll let this set for a day or two. So everything dries good and I have a good bond on everything. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back to you. I appreciate everyone that's subscribing to my page. As long as you keep enjoying these, I'll keep posting them as long as I can do them. Okay. Now we need our right side. Stick this where it goes, where we have it marked down here. Again, we're going to just put a small clamp on this one. So we have one on each side there. Put one here. Put one back here. Then we'll set this aside and let it set up. So, thanks for watching.